Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy FinTech Fixture. I got a question from one of my followers who asked, how do I create an account using the Tiqmo app? If you have been asking yourself the same thing, this video is for you. First of all, you're going to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Tiqmo app, download and install it. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get registered using this app. So let's go. So first you're going to enter your Iqama number or your ID number, punch it in, press on continue. Then they're going to send an OTP on your registered mobile number. Yes, also if it comes, punch it in, then authenticate the NAFASH. So press on that button, orange, then a random number has been displayed. In my case it's 77. Yes, so after receiving that, go and check for your NAFASH app. Yes, check on it. You're going to find a request. Yes, you should accept that request. Accept it, then proceed also, and they tell you to do so to open an account from Tiqmo. Proceed. Then that number that has been displayed is 77. Proceed. Then enter your personal PIN, which is a 6-digit. Then prepare for face verification. So for now I'll skip that. That's done. Come back, then go now to your Tiqmo app, press on it. It will show you to enter your new password. So you're going to create a new passcode, which is a 6-digit figure, of which the numbers should not be corresponding, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after that, after creating it, allow biometrics, or you can say no thanks. So I can allow biometrics, whereby I can use my fingerprint. Then they will ask me for an invitation code. In case someone has referred you, you can get this chance to receive 5 real when you enter that code of that person who referred you. So punch it in. So as when you transfer internationally, you will get that 5 real, and also that person will get the 5 real. So click on confirm, then proceed on confirm. Then you have been referred. From there you press on continue and then confirm. Yes, we are almost done. We are not yet done. So from this step, you're going to try clicking on international transfer, where they're going to tell you to verify your identity. So on international transfer, you're going to verify your identity by stating the province, the city, the address, the employer's name, which is optional, the sector, the profession, and the monthly income. So in my case, I'll choose Mecca as the province. City, I can choose Jeddah. Then the address, I also state it. So in order for you to get the actual address, if you have ever ordered something online, maybe on Noon, on Temu, on Amazon, that very address can be used. Or if you use the address when opening up any other bank account, like a Raj Bank, STC, yeah, you can also use that same address for this Tiqmo wallet, such that they can correspond. So you enter your address. In my case, I'll enter Al-Waha Street. Yes, Al-Waha Street. Punch it in. Then after that, employer's name, which is optional, employment sector, and put private. Then the profession, you can choose any profession that fits you. In case you don't see any, you can always put laborer. In this case, I'll put nurse. Main source of fund, salary. On monthly income, you choose a range that is slightly bigger, so as you can increase your chances of sending money. You can send more money if you put a higher monthly income range. Then verify identity. Yes, after verifying identity, agree to the terms and condition, and with that, go back to your home, and your wallet just got smarter. You are all set. Yes, that's done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and it has helped to answer the question that you had, give it a thumbs up, like and follow for more updates. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can add money on this Tiqmo wallet. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.